to Dirty Garage Mods. This is part 3 of the Cub mount build. What I decided to do was get some of these bolts here. These are like grade 4 or 5, I can't remember. Hardened steel bolts, and I already mounted one side up, and it's kind of flimsy right there right now, but it won't be when I get all the other support in. I put my weight on this, my body weight set down on it, and it held it just fine. So I'm going to leave one bolt in it for now and just see how it does. And if anything, I'll put a second bolt in it. But anyways, yeah. I'll cut back in here in a few minutes when I get the other side modified and on there where it needs to be, and show you guys what I'm going to be doing next. So stay tuned. Alright, so here we are. I just got this C-clamped on this side right now. I want to check see how level it is. And it is between the lines. So, it's level. Surprisingly, for eyeballing it, that's pretty good. But now I'm going to go ahead and drill the hole for this side for the bolt to go on. And then from there, I will show you what I'll be doing. I got to build some custom bracketry here, so anyways, I'll be back here in a few minutes. Alright, so there we are. I got this side mounted, it's level. I just put some crappy beads on there. Not a big deal. I know it won't actually weld to that, but I did that just kind of hold it solid for a little bit. And it is holding it. It'll hold my weight, but I don't want to put too much more of my weight on it. I'm afraid I might pop it. But anyways, I'm going to build a cross support. Goes across there and across here. And then I'll be doing my the mount for the winch itself is going to go on there. So hang tight and we'll be right back with that. Okay, so here we are. I'm having to cut this in just a little bit shorter, but I'm having problems right now, so I'm going to put it off to the side. I'm going to use this right here, piece of bed frame, and I'll probably bolt it on and run a tack on it, just kind of hold it in place. And there'll be another piece sitting back here that as another brace. So anyways, that's going to be it for now. In the next clip, you'll see me doing the rest of this. Will be probably next week or something. So anyways, hang tight and we'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. It's been a couple days. This piece here I just welded on, and if you look at the welds, they're not really that great looking, but they're functional and it's sturdy as all get out. Go ahead and zoom it in and show you guys a little bit here. So anyhow, that's the welds. I welded on each side here, so hopefully that makes it sturdy. I may go ahead and add a little bit more welds to it. And down here, of course, probably can't see that because I'm zoomed in. So down here, they're not the best welds. Like I said, I have a nervous condition, so it's hard for me to do things like that. But for someone that has a nervous condition, I'd say that's pretty good. So anyways, but yeah, it's sturdy. It's definitely stout. So I'm gonna go ahead and make another piece that goes from here to there, and then the actual winch mount, the actual mount itself is going to be bolted onto there again, so that way it's in place and I can take it on and off if I need to. I thought about welding it on, and I still might. I'm not 100% sure, but I think bolting it would be my best bet right now. And I may weld it on after. Just put welds on it, just hold it in place better. But anyways, yeah, so it's getting closer. So hang tight, and I'll be back here in a few minutes and show you the next piece. Alright, here we are. This is just all kind of clamped together, rough look of it. You know, I didn't measure anything. I just kind of lined it up with this thing. So anyways, please don't criticize about my welding. I'm not no professional welder. I do have a nervous condition, so it is hard for me to weld. But I'm doing the best I can with what I got. So hang tight. I'll show you a little bit of my welding, and if you like to watch it, if not, just skip to the next part. No biggie. Welds are terrible. I wanted to take the metal too well. I'm clean and clean and clean. Explains a lot. Alright, so anyways, there you go. That's my shitty welds. Excuse me, I don't cuss on this channel, but it is what it is. So anyhow, so I'll edit all that so way it's not as bad. But I'm going to go ahead and come to that side and weld this side up, and then I'll start measuring off and squaring off the actual mount itself and get it ready. I think I'm just going to bolt it on, like I was saying before. I want to be able to remove it when possible, so, and if it's welded on, it's a pain in the ass to move. So anyways, yeah, so here we are. I got this all welded up. It's pretty sturdy. Like I said, this is all bolted on back here, and there is some crappy beads there, but I mean, it ain't no biggie. It's holding really, really good actually. So I don't think it's gonna be a problem. I could probably stand on it, but I don't really trust it still. I can sit on it. Try that out. That way it ain't so much weight. Uh-oh. Yep. I felt something give. Yep. I'm gonna have to do something about it right here. Probably gonna have to tap another hole and put another bolt. If I had a nickel stick weld or stainless stick weld or something like that, I could probably weld this up better. I might try the wire weld on it. Hard to say. But anyways, but yeah, that's more or less done there. The mount's more or less done. So I will cut back in here in a little bit when I'm putting everything else on, and we'll complete this video up today, I hope. So stay tuned. Okay, so here we are. One of the last things I have to do is get this mounted on here. My drill bits suck, so I'm going to have to buy some new drill bits. So that's all on hold until tomorrow or next day. But anyways, if you like what you see here, hit that thumbs up. And if you want to go and support my channel, I have a Patreon link. It's down below in the description. Um, by all means, go down there, click that link, support my channel. I'm going to be changing some things on that Patreon, so it won't be as bad, or it's not bad now, but I'm going to be changing some things. Anyhow, also I'm working on getting a sticker pack together. Not sure if that's anything that anybody be interested in, but I thought about, since I do this stuff anyhow, I want to, and my hood don't have stickers on it, I'm going to go ahead and have a sticker made that says Dirty Garage Mods for each side of it. So if you guys are interested in something like that, probably be about $5-6 a sticker. I hope that ain't too steep, but I figure with shipping that probably won't be too bad. So anyways, just comment below, or you can click my Facebook group. It's called Garage Kept, and add yourself to it, and you can talk to me directly through that. Also, you'll see the latest stuff that I've been doing on there. And also on my Instagram page, Dan lowercase Hoosier, or underscore Hoosier. Anyways, the link will be down below as well. So this is part 3 of the Cub Cadet winch mount build. There will be a part 4 and hopefully the final of this video. And you can also watch all of my Cub work that I've done in series. Just click the Cub Cadet playlist. And anyways, but thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I appreciate it. I appreciate each and every one of you. And thank you to everybody that has been joining my Garage Kept group on Facebook. I appreciate each and every one of you, your support, and just checking my stuff out. And I like seeing everybody else's stuff also. So, but anyways, I'll see you in part 4. Thanks for watching.